Disable the torch, please. Thank you.
Turn off the torch, turn off the torch.
Okay, where's Coltrane at?
What the hell?
They're down to leather armor, y'all.
Let's go back. Let's go.
They're down to leather armor.
Put your shields up.
How the fuck did they see me?
Other side. Oh no, let's go this way. Let's go this way.
They
Come this way.
come to you.
Yeah, come this way, guys. This way. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This way. This way.
Oh, the keep is so many walls. Holy crap.
We're not a secret mission, I guess.
Kinda not so. Like, bro, we can just keep on killing the people that they send towards us.
Broken on this side too.
Is he gonna tell us all to run into the spikes?
The stairs. The stairs. Right here.
It's this big
Do you
block.
want to set up like a place to build torches, or do you want to go back to the siege camp and get some?
Guys, we're breaking the wall right now with flasks.
This is the homestead.
Oh wait, really?
Hit the same wall.
Hit the same wall. You hit
Yeah,
it
the same
different
wall as well.
It is the same wall.
It's the same wall. It is the
Oh,
same
it's there.
wall.
Okay.
So-
It looked like they
Oh,
were
it
hitting the
is.
gate to me, but oh,
There
Oh shit.
Hey.
Okay, break the spikes.
I
Break the
should
spikes.
go
No,
for it.
walk in. Walk in.
Go
walk
around,
in.
go around. Safe.
Come on, move.
Find the chickens.
Why didn't we do this from the beginning?
We should have kept the catapult
So
a bit longer. Oh, they're in the house.
They're up on.
See ya.
They are on the walls.
Well, we got most of the shit out
Destroy
before
the
they got
door
in,
there
huh?
as well.
Thankfully.
Yeah, good.
Can we lock them inside? Can we lock them inside?
You locked inside.
Ah.
What is it?
Yeah, we need in the east.
This is our base. Archer spawn.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, why can't I shoot?
Put the torch down. Oh my god.
I see you, hippie. I see you.
Least. You're getting hit.
Go. No, go.
No, I'm not gonna hit. They get hit.
Shield
Oh,
on KZ.
no.
Shield on
I need stam, I need stam.
I wonder if there's an
Force them, that's
actually
Please give me stam.
Noah,
Give
come
me
here,
stam.
come here.
It's
Ah.
twice happened now.
Robo
Say that he got stand first.
Got him.
So
Yeah,
after
we just-
maybe I'll think
saw that,
some of our
dude, I
guys,
saw that.
maybe.
Nice.
That's an official kill there.
Bow here. I'm dropping a bow.
Count
dropping a
it.
bow.
Count it.
Anybody need an extra bow?
Yeah,
Dropping
that's
a
what
bow
I'm
here.
saying.
Might be higher.
Maybe there's one guy on our team that's
MKZ, what are you doing there? You need to get out.
dude.
Oh,
Oh my god, we
dude.
can get on the
Just
wall.
waiting ammo. Just waiting ammo.
Yeah, we can. They got a scorpion up here that you can get on.
I can't
Oh,
stop
yeah.
it fucking.
I've actually got loads of good food here.
Oh, we can't. Your weapon can't damage it, so.
You don't need inside the tavern, you're gonna get a buff.
Wait, we have their tavern? Oh yeah, their tavern's right here.
Some correlations here.
That's hilarious.
They're wasting so many arrows.
No, you can't access.
Oh, that's a lot of guys.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're touching the family hall. Oh, please say
I
they've
got
enough.
a spare shield.
Got you, mate.
Please tell me there's flask in that family hall. We can.
Imagine.
I just killed two dudes. There's one thing this code is that catapults and siege what's the thing called?
Siege weapons.
Yeah,
Ram.
they need a buff.
Just use fire.
I think the gateway
That's
closed
all the
and stuff. Yeah, that's kind
And
of
I
crazy.
still, I think it would be cool if battering ram put like a little cover to
Oh, no,
protect
hold back,
the
hold
people from archer fire at least.
Just run away.
Hey, come here, man. Come here.
Oh my god. Crap's crazy.
Got you, nomads?
Tell me if we shield blow buff.
Ooh, archers.
Archers are actually breaking shields, although, which is nice.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I'm out of arrows.
Don't touch the
Oh, this
spot.
no tolerance guy's getting
Oh,
absolutely
tolerance.
killed.
Get out of there.
Some arrows, somebody?
Down the stairs. Oh yeah.
I
Foundation.
have a little bit.
I'm gonna fucking die. I jumped over the fucking wall.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Alright, we have enough jets. Fine.
Go over.
I'm
There
Coming
was some guys
behind.
over here.
We're coming behind.
Fuck, I'm dead.
You got one
Get him,
dude.
Kyle, get him.
The
Stand next to me,
guys
stand
I
next
got
to
no
me to get the shield
stamina.
back.
man.
You should have saved him.
Carlos, come back, come back.
Who's out?
I died,
Oh,
yeah.
Kyle.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I died.
Are there any kids?
I killed 6 dudes.
Alright, get out, get out, get out. Push up, push up.
We need to get back.
Get him, boys. Get him.
I jumped over
Oh,
the
I'm
wall,
done.
attacked 2 of them with the axe, actually killed
Shield,
one,
shield
the
on
other one
wizard,
went
shield on
down,
wizard.
But
Oh, you're
Dude,
the archer
Dude.
got me.
dude. Dude and
Wait, Kyle,
retreat.
did you live?
Inside, go.
I did.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna go leather armor.
Anybody need chainmail? Anybody need? I got chainmail on.
Dude, this
Go
siege
back
camp.
inside.
Fuck.
Go back inside.
Awesome.
Loot,
Oh,
loot,
shit.
loot on the ground. Take us back, take us back.
Okay lads, I'm gonna call it a night. It's 4 AM. Take care. Gonna see you all
Cool,
tomorrow.
man. See you next
All
time.
right.
Fine, Andrew.
GG's, man. It was
It's
fun.
fun.
Yeah. Once we're done raiding this, we are gonna fucking make so much leather.
Yeah, flash
Yeah,
on the
just
move.
blow flask it up.
I still had fun. It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Oh,
You know, it was
yeah.
worth a shot. We found out a bunch of stuff, you know.
It would take a lot more
Catapult.
shots.
Still
but
bad.
We can make.
We would need a lot more better supply chain than what we had.
At least,
We
at least
would
this time,
just need to be closer, yeah.
at least this time we weren't running into a rabbit every fucking 5 feet.
And the catapult, it didn't die. You know, like we kept it
Oh,
alive.
that's kind of
but
broken,
We
actually.
ended up killing it ourselves.
Yeah, we ended it on our terms.
So
Did you see that hippie?
Yeah. Oh shit.
I
there's
got
a
stuck in there, and
going.
I unstuck, and it teleported me out.
We're not going to be able to carry the ladder, so it's just going to be kill it, dump it.
I'm wiped again.
Did we get access
Get the
to
buff.
tavern?
Get inside the tavern to get buff.
I have a timer going for it. And, so we can start making more torches. Nielsen,
Hey, they're
they're
fighting.
shooting
They're
at
fighting.
Still image shot.
Take that.
I think the server's lagging. I think the server might have crashed.
No. Alright, no, did not.
Everybody just.
Anyone need a hammer? Anyone
Come
need a
on.
hammer?
Oh look, tool rack.
There's a kit. Take this kit. Take this kit.
I died.
That's all I can carry.
Did somebody kill me?
I killed you.
I guess. I'm back at the homestead now. Guess I'll do homestead shenanigans.
Already hit me.
I
Oh,
just
fuck,
have
I-
like despawning stuff. It feels like troll, but I guess it's just a game.
Because they haven't, like, grouped up and just pushed us.
Honestly, like,
I
they
could've
need to
lost a lot
fucking
of
nerf
people.
the archers on walls. Like, that's insane range.
Yeah, archers are insane.
Just the bow in general needs to be nerfed. Like the short bow shouldn't really do any damage if you got like armor on.
Yeah.
I reckon, like,
If you
someone
get
who's
an
good
arrow
with the bow
shot,
probably
you
could
was
do
gonna
it.
get. It does damage, you know, like.
No, I got a hammer. I got a hammer.
Alright.
We just need to hang around for a few more
Oh,
minutes,
no.
guys, while this shit despawns.
I feel like we've actually done damage here though. It's art base as well.
No, you need help?
Maybe.
Oh, you locked yourself out?
No, no.
Oh,
You're good.
Still got an arrow.
No,
Coming
sorry.
back to you guys. I'll try and make
Get
it
it
with
back.
you.
I kill your man, and I kill.
Alright, we're good. Holy.
You can try
Another
again.
one
We
down.
got a lot of archers.
Killed 2 archers so far.
Are you an archer?
Yeah, I'm an archer.
So how many
Coming
die?
back.
Try again.
Like 2, maybe.
How many
I was
of
playing
us?
Keep
melee
causing
all day.
havoc,
I
guys.
figured I'd come back as an
Keep
archer.
killing these guys.
Third archer down.
Come on, sucker. Open this fucking gate, bro.
Yeah,
fucking
come
big.
alone. You talk. You
I've
Come
talk.
only
on,
got
okay,
like
I'll
35
come on,
arrows.
bro.
I'm
Let's
trying to
go.
figure it out.
Let's do it then. Big
Yeah, I got
fucking
6
wuss.
hours left.
Yeah, tell your mate to go
I'll
away,
give
and
you
I
a
open
stack of
to you.
15.
Okay?
Well, y'all
I ain't telling
1v1
him
him?
shit. You tell him.
Go away, dirty, please.
Let's go, bro.
Hello.
Too much talk. Too much talk.
No, yeah, get out
Too
of here,
much
bro.
talk
You
for nothing.
got arrows and bullshit, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
Charge up my
What
stamina.
Why don't y'all come in here, huh?
Front
Yeah,
line.
come on in here, bro. Sitting right next
Many
to the fucking
talking,
wall,
huh?
bro. Shut up, Frenchie. God fucking
Yeah,
damn.
punchy.
Embarrassing fucking. Oh. Just another fucking slaughter, bro. This keeps ours. Playtest's gonna be over.
The keep hours, please.
Oh, fuck, I'm dead.
Be careful on the other side of that wall there.
Did you get by an arrow?
Oh.
Oh shit.
Sorry.
You got Nova.
That was me.
Oh, that was you? You son of a bitch.
It went suddenly to the side. It was not aimed at you. It was aimed at the other guy.
Oh, okay. Oh, sure.
Desculpa.
Right. You curved the arrow, right?
No, man, it's coming to you.
I'm hopping on the wall.
They ain't got fuck all for archers. I'm going over here.
Sit together.
What's up, you stupid son of
Yeah,
bitches?
we
I
can
can dry fire my bow to kill it. So they won't get a bow up for me.
Oh, this is so much fun.
Down. Oh my god. Alright, slow back now.
Oh, you're lucky. Fucking glitch from the thing.
I'm back up to front to the camp.
What the fuck is up?
Shield up, shield, straight, respects.
Around that corner, goofball.
Dude, you got the wrong shield.
Oh, you have an arrow? Oh, are you ready me?
Nice.
Group up.
Come.
Again.
Yeah,
See
yeah.
what a bitch.
Playing artillery.
Pussy.
Artillery.
You talk too many men and you don't do many. I want to see you in real life. What you do? Fucking pussy.
Captain, this isn't a Barbie show, man. Just pick it up.
Nice.
Please, chase me. Oh.
Let me. Give me some dish. I got more space, just.
I took it.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, there's enough plague.
I got one.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, I got another one.
Good shit. You should be easily be able to kill him, Anton.
Nah, he's black.
He's aiming at you. Miss. He hits you.
Am I
And
hitting
don't
him?
take this duel. Don't take this duel. You gotta die.
Fuck, I
You
actually
hit him
helped
once.
them. Oh.
Go back down the stairs.
I want to push these guys just for the
Hold
sake
F4
of it.
and log back on.
Oh,
Someone's behind them.
oh,
Someone's
oh,
behind
oh.
them.
Shit. Run.
Oh, yeah. shit. It's gotta be fucked. Yeah, his shield's dropped.
Six arrows, shit.
Yep, got chained up. No, no flare. Alright, we gotta get out of here.
I've still got quite a bit of HP, Nova.
Okay. I'm like half right now.
I'm dropping fast on now. Oh shit.
No, any arrows somebody has like spare maybe in inventory?
I'm fresh out. Just killed another guy.
Oh, I had so much fun. I shot so many people. It's so. I made one big mistake in the beginning. I should have run away with. Yeah, got carried away.
Alright, I'm trying to get a shield. Anybody got a shield?
Oh, I got one.
There's a shield
You need
on
one,
the
Emma?
floor here somewhere, I think.
I have one right here.
There's a full shield. If somebody wants a shield, the sword, 2 shields, 2 full shields, full health. There's a bow also with medium health.
Somebody in here?
My chainmail's nearly broke, so I'm gonna die soon if I can.
Yeah, my
Yes, it
chainmail
has,
is
yeah.
one too. I've been cycling layers that they die with. Cycling it out.
Where's the farm at?
Oh, Street Hunter, no.
Oh shit. No,
Oh, okay.
in front of my
I
arrow.
saw right down at you.
So many arrows, so little.
Shit, I'm
chicken
dead.
bites.
Take my stuff, there's shields, armor and shit if you need, and a sword too. I'm gonna call it a night too. I need to go to bed, it's too late for me too.
Already, man.
GG's, man.
GG.
Yeah, guys.
Have
Thank you for joining.
fun.